Hi guys, sorry for that just now. And today I got another squishy from Simply Toys. Toy Hackle, Outpost from Hackle, and I bought it from Causeway Point. So Causeway Point is somewhere here. Causeway Point. So I got a. Guess, is it a carrot? No. It is a gelato ice cream squishy. And I don't know what brand is this, but I'm going to open it. I'm going to be back. So it is out. Ooh, it's super squishy. I love it. It smells like coconut, like something with coconut. It's super squishy, like slowing. Let's have a squishy battle with Panda Bun versus this ice cream. Got a big squish. So this is the winner, Panda Bun. Yeah. So yeah, that's all guys.